Good morning, good morning. Good morning. Starting my coffee. So Jason's working out of town this week and I stayed up really late until like almost 2 o'clock in the morning. And no, it was almost 3 o'clock in the morning once I got into bed. Yeah, and I never do that. I never stay up that late. So Cooper wants in. So I ended up sleeping in until it was like 9:40. I was like, okay, that was fun for last night, but I can't do that again. I need to swing myself around. Cooper's looking for Jason. He thinks he's back in the bedroom. Oh, buddy, he's missing him. He just left yesterday. If you don't know, I follow Weight Watchers. Today was my weigh-in and I lost 2 pounds. So it's working if I stick to it. Go figure. My second cup of coffee, I'm gonna quick add a little bit of my collagen into it. Well, not a little bit, I'm up to a full scoop now. I don't do this every day. I do this maybe every other day, basically whenever I remember. Let's head back into my closet and see what I am going to wear today. I really have no idea. I'm gonna set this in the bathroom first. It is supposed to be like 108 degrees, so nothing sounds cool enough to me today. I am so grateful for air this summer. It has been a very warm summer here in this part of Texas, and I am not complaining. I love it, but I wouldn't love it so much if I didn't have air conditioning. This is what I'm gonna wear. These are a really thin pant. These are from L&L Bean. And then I saw my sister Cassie wearing this on Instagram. This is not one she makes. This is one that she got at Walmart. It's in the men's section. Mine came with 2 t-shirts, so I have 2 Snoopy t-shirts now. But my mascara is getting really low, and I don't have a specific mascara that is my favorite. I just haven't found one that's my absolute favorite. I've tried many, and I haven't like fallen in love with a mascara. So today, this is actually a little sample that I'm using. Today I want to go out and I want to look. I have an idea of what I want. I made up some tuna this week for my lunches. Tuna's like super low in points, and Miracle Whip is too. Miracle Whip's not that bad, and that's what I put in mine. I don't do mayonnaise. So I have some celery and onion in here too. Cooper went back and he's looking for Jason again. You guys are gonna keep seeing him do that, poor baby. Oh. But anyway, so I have some onion and celery in it, and I am eating it on these carb counter tortillas. It's really good. So this is only 1 point. So I think the whole entire lunch is only like 3 points or something like that. It's pretty low. I don't think I'm gonna have chips with it. Yeah, because I kind of want to get out of here, you know?
Now, if you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just got an awesome vibe.
So we went into Ulta.
Yeah, I'm here too.
I drug Justin into Ulta.
I feel like a fish out of water.
Oh my goodness, yeah. So I ended up finding a mascara to try. It's by Essence, and it's saying that it's gonna give me the false eyelash look. We'll see. I got waterproof because I've learned my lesson with that. And then I also found brown eyeliner that I'm almost out of, so I'm glad I found that in there too. Okay, we're gonna head over to Target because I'm hunting for an item. Target was very busy for a Tuesday, so what I'm looking for is a Starbucks espresso type drink, but it says skinny on it, and it's supposed to be really super low points, and it's a coffee. So I'm searching for it. I heard that it could be at Target, and it's not at our Target. And I also heard that it could be at Walmart. So we'll just keep looking for it at our Walmarts whenever we go there, but I'm not gonna make a special trip for that. But instead, I got Cooper this little lobster biscuit. So he'll enjoy that tonight. Okay, now we are on to our next store. We're gonna go to Mardell. Mardell is a Christian store and it has a humongous section of homeschool stuff. It has daily planners, all kinds of stuff. Birthday cards, Bibles, devotionals, books. Okay, we're just leaving Mardell. My car is reading 108. Yikes. But they changed the store all around, so it was really nice. I like the layout, how they got it going on in there. Now we are headed home. All right, I have some laundry that I need to fluff in the dryer. But while I'm doing that, I figured I would visit with you for a second. So I've been getting some comments and questions and stuff on my channel. I thought I would touch base with all of you this way. So first, when I was pulling in the garage, my car was reading 110 degrees. So this is a hot one out there. I was like, oh, I'm glad we're home. I'm done. It's like, I'm like, my makeup is melting. It's time to go home when your makeup melts. So Michelle Benhart asked, what do you mean points? This is on one of my Weight Watcher videos. Points is part of the Weight Watcher program. So all it is each specific food has a certain amount of points. And when you sign up for Weight Watchers, you end up in the app. It has a scanner, or you can enter the food and it will tell you how many points per food, because you get so many points a day. Like I get 21 points on my program, but because they've made it personal points, each of us have different daily points. So once you get to your 21 points a day, you're done eating. But with the personal points program, you can earn extra points for how much water you drink, how many vegetables you eat, walking, any kind of exercising, riding bikes, whatever. You get points for that. And that can all go towards your daily points if you want to use them. I try not to use them. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. So I hope that explained it, Michelle. I have this mess staring at me. But first, before I get to that, I'll show you what I got at Ulta. So I ended up getting these eyeliner pencils. It says that it's brown, but they look black. So I'm gonna open them up and see if they're really and truly brown. I don't know. Anyway, maybe they just made the packaging black. I don't know. But I'm keeping the receipt just in case. And then this is the mascara that I ended up getting. Hopefully it really does make my lashes look like false lashes. I couldn't resist this. It is a headband for when you're putting on makeup or moisturizing your face. You just tie your hair back with it and it's a little bow. This one has clouds on it, but they had some there that had like a cow print, leopard print. I was between leopard print, this, and then the cow print, and they were really cute. It was on an end cap in my Ulta. And then we got Cooper's Biscuit. Can't say it too loud because he knows his name really well. And that's it. That's what we got. While I'm doing this, I'm gonna stack my dishes into my dishwasher right here. So I'm gonna continue with the comments. Okay, on my snack one, Pam Hoffman said to try Healthy Choice fudge bars at Sam's. I didn't know that there were Healthy Choice fudge bars at Sam's. I'm gonna go look for them. And guess what? Today, I was out there. But she said they are only 2 points and are super delicious. So yes, thank you, Pam, for that. I am definitely on the hunt for those. And then Inman Woman, that the string cheese at Sam's Club is only 2 points. Guess what? I found it. Woohoo! Let me show you. I didn't even know Sam's Club had light string cheese either. So thank you so much. Right here, I found it and I am so happy. It is 2 points a stick. It says light on it. So we're just so happy, right? Oh my goodness, 2 points. I can start eating string cheese again. It's way better than 4 to 5 points for string cheese. And I had posted that on my Instagram recently, so you already know that I found the string cheese. If you don't follow me on Instagram, do so please. I would love for you to follow me over there. When Jason is out of town, I don't cook. So Justin and Tim just left. They ran to get our food. Also, every time I show this cup, I get somebody that says, I want that Pooh Bear cup. I have searched and I don't think they make it anymore. This was at the Disney store in our mall when we lived in Michigan and the boys were little. So you're talking a long time ago. Okay, Becky Holbrook said, try the Laughing Cow cheese spread on lunch meat with a dill pickle spear rolled up. Also, sweeten ricotta cheese with stevia, stuff in a slightly hollowed out strawberry, and then top it with a few mini chocolate chips. Those sound amazing. Thank you, Becky, for those snack ideas. Gail H says, I'm new to your channel. Welcome, Gail. I am so glad you're here. We're all glad you're here, aren't we, you guys? She said, thank you for this video. I like the Breyers Carb Smart Fudge Bars. They're only 2 points and they taste like the WW Fudge Bars, but a lot cheaper. Thank you so much for that. I will be looking for those as well. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for all your ideas for low point snacks. Sybil was saying in a comment the other day how everybody is on their own weight loss journey, or you're just eating healthy. I think it's awesome that we can find what works for us. I like Weight Watchers, but maybe you're doing like the intermittent fasting or keto. The snacks and food that I make, even if I say it's Weight Watcher, doesn't mean that you can't apply it to how you're eating in your daily diet. This is my first announcement that I am going to have a t-shirt party. My sister Cassie makes printed t-shirts. Love them. They're super soft, super comfortable. You see me wearing them a lot in my videos. And I am going to have one that is fall and Halloween. And let me tell you, she sent me the prints the other day. Oh, I cannot wait. It is going to start August 16th through the 19th. The actual party will be the 18th and 19th, but if everybody starts coming over on the 16th, she's going to be announcing things and we're going to be introducing each other. We had a lot of fun at my last t-shirt party, so thank you all for coming on over to Facebook and joining my party because I had a blast. It was wild and awesome. I will also have Cassie's Facebook page linked below that you can order t-shirts through her. Cooper's asking to bring in his stick. He keeps wanting to bring it in the house and we won't let him because it makes such a huge mess. So in this part of Texas, we don't have a lot of sticks just laying around, but Cooper loves them. When our tree out front ended up dying and we just pulled it out because it was completely dead, Jason ended up trimming all of the sticks off from that tree and we have them in the shed, and then every once in a while we'll give one to Cooper. We have let him bring him in the house, but he makes such a humongous mess, we quit doing it. We learned our lesson. It's like 7 o'clock at night and I'm drinking coffee. Gee, I wonder why I stay up so late. Can you guess what we're having tonight? And coffee is gonna go perfect with s'mores, just saying. We haven't had s'mores yet this year. And the other day, Justin was like, you know what I'm hungry for? And I was like, what? And he goes, s'mores. I was like, ooh. So we've been keeping the Hershey bars in the refrigerator because if they're in the pantry in the summer, they kind of get melty. So I figured I better stick them in the refrigerator. Even with air conditioning on in our house, they still get melty. Okay, so let's head out to the grill. Yeah, I'm heating up the marshmallows over the grill. That's how we roll. I'm gonna scrape this off first so it's not smoking. Whoops. Cooper's got a little friend that is behind us, lives behind us, and when he comes out and barks, Cooper barks. All right, we took the grate off so the marshmallow can get down in by the flame. Yeah, who else roasts marshmallows like this? Give me a thumbs up. This is like total old school. We can do this, right? Try not to catch it on fire, but you know, sometimes that happens too. Ooh, fire, fire! Cooper's first ever marshmallow. He's gonna be hyper, it's pure sugar. Oh, mercy. What do you think of it, buddy? He's like, whatever. Weird, right? Look at him, he's like, you gotta be kidding me. This is a joke, right? Okay, wait. For real? Here, we will give Cooper this. You want your lobster? There you go. There's our delicious, delectable s'mores. Oh my goodness, is your mouth watering? I do have to say, standing out there roasting those marshmallows over the grill and the sun is beating on me, I was like, I'm hot. I can just feel my skin shriveling. But it'll be worth it, right, Justin?
Right.
Right. Yeah, I wouldn't recommend the little Red Lobster. He loved that thing, that biscuit, but there's red all over my carpet, so we're gonna have to get that scrubbed out now. I am going to get my little vacuum cleaner and I'm gonna quick run it through this kitchen. It's got a ton of crumbs happening and it needs my attention.
I don't wanna slow down, I don't wanna slow down, I don't wanna slow down till I burn out. I just wanna live fast, I don't wanna look back and say I could've done more than I did not. Sometimes it can be hard, yeah, it can be hard, yeah, it can be.
Cooper still has not ate his marshmallow, so I think I'm gonna pick that up and throw it away. Tim got a microfiber cloth and just wetted it down with water and the red came up. So thank you, Timothy.
You're welcome.
But just to let you know, if you do get that little lobster thing biscuit from Target, just be aware that red will get on carpet. It probably would get on floor too, huh? I didn't even think about that. Okay, so an update on the eyeliner, because I know you're just dying to know, aren't you? It is brown, but it's just a different name brand than the one that I had. Mine is Rimmel, and I grabbed the Color Stay by Revlon. Okay, let's see if I can do this without getting a ton of makeup on. It's got a little bow and everything. It's so freaking cute. Oh my goodness, how adorable is that? Seriously. Let's wear this out to the stores. Oh, it's so cute. All right, I'm gonna get my makeup off. I'm gonna get my pajamas on, and that is it for the night. I'm exhausted. I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for joining me today. I will see you soon.